12 tutorial in PHP. Adding tables in our database in my MySQL database. Previously we created our database, so now I'm going to add tables in our database. In here, click databases so that we can see our database that we have created. This is the database that I created. Let's click it. And then in this part it says create new table on database MySQL. This is the database name. And then to add table, just type our new table. Let's name it table 2. Number of fields, it depends on how many fields you want to input. Let's say 3, and then go. If you want more tables, just go to that field, then add name and the number of fields. Okay, inside the table is this environment where you can type your fields, the type of the field, and the other properties. For example, we have 3 fields inside the table 2. For example, profile of a certain person. When I'm creating database, I'll make sure that the record has an ID or anything that must be a unique and must be different to other records. So in the ID, the type is integer, int, and values none. We don't need to write in here. Let's go to the index, which is primary. This is our primary key, and auto increment. It will automatically add 1 for the next record. And then the name, for example, let's say Alan. First name. Oops, sorry. This is the field name. First name, let's say O. And then the type is varchar. So next is the last name, and then the type depends on you. Let's say varchar again. Okay, and then let's save it. Oh, okay, I think I had a problem in here. Let's go to my database. Let's go back. In my database, let's go to the operation. Check if the collision is in UTF-8. This is the default for the WAMP. Okay, go. Click go. Okay. Then let's go back to our table. Our table did not save was only on table 1. Let's go back and check. Let's refresh it. Maybe we can see our table. Click database. Yes. And database. The table we add did not appear inside. I prefer to add a new table. Let's name it table tree. And go the same process. ID, int type, index, primary, then auto increment, first name, last name, and the type is varchar. Then save it. Okay. Maybe we should change it. It depends on the user which will be inputted. Maybe I can put the length, let's say 30 for the first name and 30 also for the last name. Let's try it. I see. So we are now in our field. What are we going to do is to insert record. In the ID, we don't need to enter any value because it will automatically insert a value, because in declaring the ID we specify the auto increment as we check the auto increment. So we are going to input first name, let's say Alejandro, last name Cortez, and then the second is Benjamin Diaz. Okay, so we input we can add another. If we want to have more records, go to the restart insertion. So we have 5. So let's type again our values. Alejandro, Cortez, Benjamin, Diaz, Ricardo, Gomez, Emily, lunar, and the last one is okay, Pauline Amata. Let's review it and then click go. This is the code for our database. This will be put into other window, but we don't need it now. So click go. Okay. To see the records, click browse. So there you have it. Our list of names. So that's how to add other table and to insert records. Thanks for watching.